another episode of Leche Pag-ibig to. This is exciting once again, DJ Chacha, because as we mentioned, we're trying to get more of our Leche Natics, Leche Nation members on the podcast, talk about their problems. Para sa kanila nang gagaling. Minsan kasi,
Oo.
we all know that the intonation, pag yung tono ng pagsasalita, sometimes iba pa rin eh.
Yes,
Doon mo
tsaka
nararamdaman
parang,
may emotions eh. Oh.
and sometimes, dun sa letters nila, minsan may mga kulang na details, di ba? Na
Correct.
dito, at least pagkasama natin sila, lahat matatanong natin.
That is absolutely correct. So please do go ahead and send us a message if you have anything you want to discuss. You want to be a guest on the podcast, that is perfectly fine. We are on Leche Pag-ibig 2, that's on Instagram. We are also on Leche Pag-ibig to, that is on Facebook. Facebook, we show our episodes. Spotify can catch us there for our latest episodes.
Eto na, huwag na natin patagalin agad. Kasi actually,
Kasi matagal na. Sorry.
Hindi, ilang weeks ago ko na ba siya kausap? 2 weeks ago siguro.
Okay.
Pero alam niyo naman, dahil si Mr. Busy Guy Sam YG dito, di natin malaman ang schedule.
Wow,
Napakaganda yung pakikipag-usap natin dito sa Leche natin. Pero nandito siya. Ayaw niya nang wala ka. Yun ang kailangan nandiyan ka pag nag-share siya.
Okay, parang
Kasi
tama.
baka
Parang your guy's perspective, diba?
Yes, mas maganda yung ganon, di ba? May babae, may lalaki na perspective. So, hindi ko na matatagalin to. We got his message from our Instagram page, Lecheng Pag-ibig to, as in T-O sa dulo. Nasa line ngayon, kasama natin si Jeff. Hello, Jeff.
Hello, guys.
Hi, Papi Jeff. Welcome to the podcast.
Happy to be here.
Of course, as we mentioned, your identity will be kept a secret. Your face will be kept a secret para you can openly talk about whatever is going on in your life. But before that, let's get to know each other a little bit better. Paps, tell us about yourself. Age muna, tsaka anong kinabibisiyan sa buhay?
My name is Jeff. I am 33 years old.
Okay.
And working in the IT industry.
Nako.
Dami pera to.
Hindi, tsaka ito yung mga
marunong.
marunong.
Hindi. Dati kasi nung panahon namin ni Sam, kasi mas may edad tayo ng konti dito kay Jeff, nung panahon natin parang pag sinabing IT, 2 schools lang naglalaban nun.
Oo.
Wala mo kung ano.
STI.
Tsaka AMA.
Oo. Diba? Malakas pa kami commercial sa TV yan.
Papi, parang mga 20-20 lang silang gumagraduate nun per batch.
Correct. When you say you're working as an IT person, you work for a company or may freelance? Malaki may freelance na rin ng IT di ba?
Talaga?
Oh.
Yes. But I'm working in a company as a software developer. So,
software developer.
Nagsimula si Mark barkada na dyan nagsimula.
Mark Zuckerberg?
Oo, si Zaks. Kausap ko na kagabi si Zaki.
Before nursing, super in demand. Ngayon daw talagang IT na. Data science, puro ganyan.
I heard otherwise. Ang in demand na daw na job ngayon is content creators. Tsaka influencer.
Nagtatanong pa, walk.
Oy. Nauso nung ano yun.
Hindi pa rin ba yun?
Yung pandemic. Tsaka be careful Sumisipa na naman yung COVID. Sorry,
yes.
Jeff.
In Singapore and US.
Oo. Tsaka it's a very interesting name. It does not just relate to COVID. It is the lande syndrome. Flirt. Lande. Flirt.
Ang sinasabi ng mga scientists and
mga nakausap mo,
researchers.
Scientist.
Ang sinasabi, kaya pinangalanan, KP1 and KP2 to, guys. Bago natin kausapin si Jeff kasi napag-usapan na yung, di ba, software analyst. Napunta tayo dito sa COVID kasi demand pa rin ng healthcare workers ngayon dahil tumataas yung kaso sa Singapore and US dahil dito sa bagong variant na tinawag nilang flirt para mas madaling matandaan ng tao. Pero dito sa Pinas, dito sa Pinas, para daw hindi malito yung tao, kasi baka mamaya isipin daw, by flirting makukuha. Kaya ang gusto nilang tawag is KP1 and KP2.
Mahirap na matawag na flirt ang COVID.
Pero not so alarming. Not so alarming naman daw.
Correct. Imagine if it was called flirt, diba? Siguro 90% ng Pilipinas may COVID ngayon.
Ay,
diba?
Buti na lang ako sa asawa ko lang ako malandi. Ewan ko si Jeff, tanongin natin.
Buti na lang may caller tayo and may
Jeff,
guest
ikaw
tayo.
ba may asawa or girlfriend?
wala. Currently single.
Single, okay.
And
so,
if you're single and wala ka naman, it seems you don't have a partner, well, we're gonna find out. Sige, tell us the situation. Go ahead.
Okay. So disclaimer lang, I'm telling this story just as a heads up to our listeners, a
Oh,
kind of
okay.
lesson to be learned, probably, and not to put anyone in bad light.
Sure.
So, yeah. So again, my name is Jeff. I was in an 8-year relationship,
Mhm.
and spoiler alert, it was a broken engagement.
Mm.
Wait. Sorry. You mean you guys were already engaged, or am I understanding it right?
Yes, we were
Okay,
already
sige.
engaged. Yes.
Oh, tapos na disengage.
Yep.
Very Bea, Alonzo, and Dominic, no? Sige, oh.
Yeah. So just for context, our first 6 years was going great of our relationship.
Mhm.
It has its ups and downs, of course, but
Mhm.
we worked it out every time and resolved any issues that came up, especially the little things, because little things do matter when it piles up. So
Ay, totoo yan.
True,
I'm a
agree.
believer of that.
So fast forward, I was interested in working in another country. Napag-usapan yung COVID sa Singapore. I'm actually in Singapore.
You are in Singapore right now?
Yes.
Uy, hello
Dami
la.
talagang pera to. Oh.
Tsaka
So-
tunog pa lang, alam mong iba yan. Okay.
Alam mo,
what,
nasa Singapore kasi ganda ng signal.
oh,
Ganun ba
what,
yung papi?
what time is it in Singapore?
Right now, what time is it in Singapore? I think it is...
Same
Ba't mo
lang.
ako ginajudge?
Sira
Ba't
ako talaga sa...
Same time zone pala. Sorry. Okay.
Nilito ko si Jeff eh.
Oh,
Si Jeff,
anyway.
sorry. Pagpasensya mo na yung partner ko.
Yeah. Sorry, naka-full screen ako. So,
It's okay. No worries. Pinapakalma ka lang niya kasi
Oh,
parang medyo
relax
napapansin
lang
namin,
tayo.
medyo kabado ka eh. So, nasa Singapore ka ngayon, pero nung time na
Yes.
nasunta ka dyan, kayo pa, ni girlfriend.
yes, kami pa.
Okay,
Fiancé,
and then,
if you will.
fiancé, yeah, oo
Yes,
nga.
yes.
Mm.
Ex-fiancé.
Ex-fiancé.
So, so ending, I took the job. Pero at that time, I was very transparent because this is a big step. Like, if eventually I go here, we're going to be in a long-term setup. Not long-term,
Long
long
distance.
distance.
Long distance.
Okay, so it's
Long distance.
you guys are engaged, and now you got this opportunity to work in Singapore. I'm sure it pays a lot better. So if you take this job, you are aware that it's going to be a long distance relationship,
Yes.
and you guys are ready to take that step.
Yes, I
Sige.
really made sure because it's a very big decision for the both of us, not just for me. I always made sure that she was okay with it because on my end, I'm willing to compromise down the line if ever this doesn't work out, things like that.
Okay.
So, but also for context, at that time, when I was thinking to take it to the next level, that was the same period where I accepted the job offer to Singapore.
Sige, so simultaneous proposal / job offer.
Yes.
So things were going good. I would say that, diba, love life check, career check. Oh. And
Yeah.
then,
So, ayun, pero funny enough, thinking back at that time, bago ako mag-window shopping for engagement rings, that was the same time she was joking na, kailan mo ba ako papakasalan? Stuff like that.
nagpaparinig na in short.
Yes, nagpaparinig na siya.
Alam natin yan. Oh.
Nung
So-
time na nagpaparinig siya kung kailan mo siya papakasalan, ilang taon na kayo nun?
I was, I think,
I mean, like,
29,
ilang years na
30.
yung relationship?
6 years. 6 years.
Okay, very, very decent.
6 years na kami.
Pero hindi niya alam, nagsha-shopping ka na pala for a ring at that time. While
Yeah.
she's making
Oo.
parinig. Okay.
True. And then?
So, and then, fast forward, I proposed months later. Then she said yes. And then, I was thinking back then na mag-propose na before I leave the country, just for an assurance that, okay, I'm committed to this relationship.
Seal the deal, kumbaga, di ba?
Sisenyohan na niya. Oo.
Sila- Para hindi na rin siya mag-alala kasi we're gonna be in a long distance setup. So plan A was okay. I accepted the job. We can go here to Singapore, and if it doesn't work out, we can always go back.
Mm.
Okay.
Because again, I was very committed to the relationship. I'm willing to compromise because, when you're taking things to the next level, you should always, consider your partner always, and
Mhm.
it's a one
Agree.
decision,
Mm.
always. So, and then after I went to Singapore, just after a few months, she started getting busy, with work, going out with friends, and all that.
Mhm.
So I was thinking that okay, she is a distraction from the fact that we are in different countries. We were in a long distance setup, so I was okay
Mhm.
with it.
Mhm.
Kumbaga, her decision, paka-busy na rin siya para hindi masyado na maramdaman yung long distance, di ba?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yun yung inisip ko at that time. But
Mhm.
yeah, balikan natin yun mamaya. But then she started getting cold.
Uy, yun na.
Naku po.
So parang
So,
alam ko
nag-on yung
na.
aircon. Diyos ko po, ito na sinasabi ko.
so panlamig.
Mhm.
So yeah, in a way nahalata na siya sa chat.
Okay.
So I mean, we've been together for almost half a decade. So mahalata
Kabisado mo na siya.
Oo,
Oo.
medyo tansyado mo, medyo iba, may umiiba. Something's changing.
Tapos,
So nung kinonfront ko siya about it, then she was saying na she's starting to rethink things. She was not sure anymore. Things like that. So I really got worried because
Was this conversation done in person or through an online call?
through an online call
Okay.
at first. Yeah.
Mhm.
So nung sinabi niya yun, okay, nagkalala ako sa uba kasi what's happening,
Siyempre.
this is so super biglaan.
Mhm.
So and then I immediately went back
Okay.
to Manila para kausapin siya personally. And then she decided to break up. To break
Aba.
up.
bago ka pa umuwi.
Hindi,
Hindi,
pagka-uwi, in
nung
person
umuwi,
na to, no?
pagka-uwi,
In
yes,
person
yes.
na. Okay.
Oo.
So, yun. She gave a lot of reasons. But I think
Including,
one thing that stick with me was she said that she was happier without me anymore.
Oh.
Okay.
I'm so queer. And then?
So yeah, we broke up. She gave back the ring. So back then on my side, on my end, I thought it wasn't worth it anymore to fight for the relationship because for a number of reasons. On my side, it's because I can already tell that she was decided on ending things already based off of her body language. We were talking about it. She was just giving reasons why it was not working out anymore and not ways to fix things. Because that's and also when I first saw her again, it just felt different. Like
When was this? Kailan yan? Yun muna.
this was, I think, 2 years ago.
2 years ago. So simula nun, wala na. Hindi na kayo nag-usap, hindi na kayo nagkabalikan.
so kumbaga hindi mo
hindi na.
nilabanan. Parang when she
Hindi
said
na
that,
nilaban pa.
things are different, you assessed and you said, sige, parang for me, things are different as well. And no point in pushing this further.
Oo. And since then, hindi na kayo nag-usap.
Since then, yeah, wala nang contact anymore.
Okay.
You flew back to Singapore.
Yes, so I flew back to Singapore.
And the problem now is?
Problem now is because I was, for months after that breakup, I was really banging my head against the wall.
Of course.
Why it happened. Because she really, the reason, that she mentioned to me was, I felt like there were just excuses.
May nararamdaman ka na that's not the real reason.
Ano ba to? After 2 years na-reveal na may iba?
Wala naman. Kasi wala na rin akong contact.
Pero up to now, kahit 2 years na kayong hiwalay, hindi ka pa rin mapatahimik kung yun ba talaga yung reason?
Mayroon akong conclusion that fits what happened.
So, ano feeling mo? Yung totoong rason kung ba't siya nakipaghiwalay sa'yo?
I'm giving her all the benefit of the doubt that I can give. I think that she was just looking for companionship.
Gusto niya mas malapit.
Yeah, when on my end I was really in love.
Pero confirmed na walang third party? Like ngayon, walang jowa to si ex.
I'm not sure actually. There's
Kasi hindi
really
na rin
no
naman sila
contact
nag-uusap
anymore. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Sam?
okay, so sorry, what seems to be the problem? Parang
Hindi,
at the
parang yun
point,
pa rin, nasa utak pa rin niya kung yung bang binigay na rason ng girl, yun ba talaga yun? Kasi parang
okay, so
pakiramdam niya,
it's
hindi
that.
parang naghanap lang ng
And
way. It's been 2 years.
Yeah, 2 years, and you're still at the back of your head wondering if that was the real reason, because you are suspecting that there was something else behind her breaking up with you and ending or calling off the engagement.
Yes. So
Do you think it's someone else? O, didiretsuhin ko na. Si Chacha kasi nagpaparinig. Do you think it's someone else?
tinanong ko naman sa kanya, sabi naman niya hindi. So yeah, another benefit of the doubt. Okay, sige, wala. So
Okay, so
So, hindi ka
why?
nagla-lurk? Sorry bago yung sasabihin
Oo.
sa hindi ka nagla-lurk sa niya, social media accounts niya, hindi mo siya chinecheck kung may bago na ba, kamusta siya.
Ako, Chacha, why are you doing these things?
Because
Kasi that's when the hurt
seems
gets
like-
hurter. That's like pouring salt on the wound, Chacha.
Pero hello, Sam, yun talagang gawain ng mga hindi pa makamove on.
Yun
Lurk
naman.
ka sa ex mo.
Yun.
Kaya tinatanong ko siya. Hindi mo
Nagli-lurk ka ba daw?
nilalurk? Oo.
hindi. Hindi na
Oh.
kasi parang for me, I'm all alone here in Singapore. So
Mhm.
So, ayaw mo malungkot lalo.
yeah, it's bad for
Okay.
my process of healing and whatnot.
Well, I agree. That's why I brought it up. Na personally, I know it's hard, but for a lot of people, it gets even harder. Totoo yan, no? Moving on, if you keep on lurking and seeing ano na ba status ng ex mo, ano ba ginagawa niya, meron na ba siyang bagong kakbay, and what now? Let's say meron na siyang bago.
Diba sa minsan, pag nakita mo, mas parang makakakuha ka ng period na, okay, meron na. Oo,
Yeah.
nga iniisip ko.
Tapos
For some
masasaktan
lang
ka na
yun.
naman.
For some
Masasaktan
yun.
ka na naman pag nakita
Yun
may
nga
bago.
lang, pero baka kay Jeff hindi mag-work yung i-check niya and then babalik lang ulit lahat ng sakit. Pero kasi it's been 2 years and he's still like that.
This is personal closure that he is looking for, I believe.
Baka.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
We
Actually,
don't know. Oh.
yeah,
Go
tama
ahead.
si Sam na personal closure na lang kasi
Mhm.
I mean, kaya ako minention yung reasons ko bakit di ka na pinaglaban kasi, I considered myself rin why I gave up. So, aside from her giving up as well. So, sa akin, parang, yeah, personal closure na lang.
Correct. Sa akin, no, there are so many angles we can look at this. Number one, whatever reason that she really has or she really had at that time for ending the engagement and breaking up with you, maybe she did tell you part of the truth, maybe part of it was not true, maybe suspecha mo may ibang reason na hindi niya sinabi sa'yo. Sa akin, wala na tayong magagawa doon. No?
Yeah.
It would be hard to give her a call and text her at this point and ask her yun ba talaga yung reason, diba? Even if
Kasi
you
tagal
lurk,
na eh.
correct, even if you lurk over her accounts, social media accounts, you see may bago na siya, it still wouldn't make sense to ask her, was that the reason why we broke up?
Kasi nga break na rin naman kayo. Ang
Exactly.
tagal na.
Point is, you guys broke up. Some people, to be honest, have a hard time breaking up with someone, telling them na may bago, kaya kita binibreakan. No? But I'm not saying she had somebody new at that time, no? Maybe what she said, like I said, was partially true. Maybe it wasn't true. Maybe it was the full truth. Now it's how you receive the information that we can't control. No?
Yeah.
And now you feel that there was something more to it, but it's just a gut feel. Nothing is, of course, proven. Nothing is set. No? Pero it's sorry, nagwawala ang aking dog.
It's okay.
It's a gut feel and wala nga siyang hard evidence. So for me, like I said, it's personal closure. It has something to do with yourself. It's gonna be you against yourself getting over this situation.
Yeah. And,
Cha-cha. Oh, go ahead, yeah.
okay, sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, sige. You wanna say something?
Wala. Go.
Okay.
Wala.
May mga ganyang klase ng breakup, di ba? Yung di mo nakukuha yung closure dun sa tao na nakarelasyon mo. And it doesn't mean pag di mo nakuha yun sa kanya, hindi ka na makaka-move on. Kasi kung di niya binigay yung closure sa'yo, ikaw magbibigay ng closure na yun para sa sarili mo. Di ba? Walang ibang magbibigay nun sa'yo kundi ikaw lang. I have to agree with Sam. It's been 2 years. baka mawirduhan pa yung ex mo kung after 2 years, ngayon mo lang tatanungin kung yun ba talaga yung rason. And I feel like you're like that kasi nung time na sinabi niya sa'yo na um, nung panahon na wala ka dito sa tabi ko, mas na-realize ko, mas okay pala. Mas masaya pala ako. Mas okay pala ako lang mag-isa. Tapos, siguro, because of your ego, I don't know kung bakit ang sagot mo lang agad is, okay, kung yan ang rason mo, sige, papayag ako, break tayo agad. And feeling ko yung mga ganyang klase na hindi nila nilaban muna bago sila nag-let go, meron silang, parang at the back of their mind, baka meron kang, sana nilabang ko,
sayang
sana
syndrome.
ito yung ginawa ko. Yes, the sayang syndrome,
Oo.
na bakit hindi ko pinaglaban bago ko binitawan.
In short, the what if. Maybe
Yes,
what if
na-
pa somewhere
That's why,
there
diba?
at the back of your head, that's making you parang may gigil dyan sa loob ng ano mo,
Oo,
feelings mo.
kasi mas okay pa yung nasaktan ka ng husto, pinaglaban mo, kaysa nung pagsabi sa'yo, wala kang ginawa, tumunganga ka lang, kahit deep inside you, gusto mo ilaban.
Mhm. Could be that.
So
No?
baka ganon. Kaya, alam mo, up to now, nasa utak mo pa rin, baka nga hindi yung iniisip mo kung ano ba talagang reason. Baka nasa utak mo is, ano kaya nangyari kung nilabang ko? Ano kaya nangyari kung iba yung naging sagot ko nung time na sinabi niya na maghiwalay na kaming dalawa? Kaya lang it's all in the past. Well, you can try, di ba, to reach out to her, to ask her, pero yes, it wouldn't change a thing. It's been 2 years. And hindi rin mababago noon yung fact na si girl, yung sinasabi mo kanina, parang she's looking for a companionship eh. So kung LDR kayo and pipiliin mo dyan magtrabaho sa Singapore, kahit pa umabol ka sa kanya ngayon, hindi magbabago yung isip ng girl. Gusto niya nang malapit sa kanya. And meron talaga mga taong hindi pang long distance relationship.
Ako, just to add to that, no, at this point, I'm actually gonna take her out of the picture already. No? Because whatever she did, whatever she said, whatever is her status now, that's beyond our control. No? Let's talk about you. Let's talk about how
How
you
to move on without closure.
correct. How to move on and what to do at this point. It's been 2 years, you're still struggling with it, you're still dealing with it. Could be that you're lonely in Singapore, like you mentioned, wala kang kasama, you have no companion. That could be a reason, wala kang kausap. And these things matter, no? These small things matter. Minsan there are days where you just feel lonely, you just feel you had somebody there. But also remember that, I know it's cliche in saying this, but everything happens for a reason. I'm going back and using myself as an example, no? I have, of course, there have been people I dated. I've had my exes, but there's a Chacha, don't
Ilang
comment.
kaya
Please,
yan?
please
Sorry,
turn off
sorry,
Chacha's mic first.
Sorry
Thank you.
hindi ko mapigilan eh.
Sabihin ka na naman, kumakasa ka na. Kumakasa ka na naman eh.
Nakita mo agad yung mukha ko. Okay.
Hindi, diba? We're all gonna have exes. We're all gonna have relationships that do not work out. Why they don't work out, there could be a million reasons why our past relationships did not work out. But I guess Chacha would also agree with me in saying that looking at me now, looking at her now, looking at yourself now, looking back at those relationships, there is a reason why it did not work out. And sometimes it takes time to reveal why hindi siya nag-work out with that person. Why you were left wondering for 2 years, why you were lonely for 2 years. Because you also have to remember you chose your career. Diba? Knowing the fact that there is this risk that your relationship will be affected by you moving there. I'm not saying, you made the wrong decision, you made the right decision. I'm just saying that the decision you made came with a risk. Now you guys broke up. Given. Is it the end of the world? No. Are you gonna find somebody else? Yes. When? I don't know. No? I guess at this point, it's more of healing yourself.
Yeah.
Regardless of the reason that she had for breaking up with you, diba? Wala tayong pakialam doon at this point because it's already in the past. No? When somebody new comes along, when that new person comes along, everything will make sense as to why it did not work out with that other person. No? And sometimes, you need to be you need to go through a breakup to see a breakthrough. Even with relationships, even with sometimes work, diba? You have to break up with something to be able to open your doors to something better. And there's gonna be a low point in between that, no? The point where you break up and the point that you find something or somebody new. There's gonna be a low point in between that. Parang dalawang bundok yan. Nasa valley ka ngayon eh. 'Di ba? But believe me when I tell you that when that new person comes along, when that new thing you're excited about comes along, it will probably make sense to you. Bakit hindi nag-work out to that other person? And then you will not need that closure anymore because you will be able to heal yourself. And sometimes no closure is the closure.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
having the closure is already the closure. Yun nga sabi nila. Ay, pwede ka ba mag-move on? Yun muna, pwede ka ba mag-move on ng walang closure na hindi yan binibigay sa'yo ng ex mo? Of course. Pwede ka bang mag-heal or mawala yung sakit nang wala ring closure? Yes. Mas madali lang siguro para sa iba na maka-move on and mag-heal kasi meron mga sagot dun sa tanong nila. Whereas kagaya nga nitong si Jeff, kaya siguro hanggang ngayon iniisip pa rin niya kasi ang dami pa rin yung tanong na hindi masagot-sagot. That's why, naku, electionatics natin ng mga
Hindi ganyan
nakikinig.
talaga yan, ha? In life, there are gonna be questions that will always always remain
And
unanswered.
hindi rin naman
Kaya
kasiguraduhan, Papi, na pag binigyan ka ng closure, makaka-move on ka na agad.
Correct.
It's really up to you.
Oo.
Diba?
And sometimes all these questions, in life, there are gonna be so many questions that will be left
Hindi,
unanswered.
hindi titigil yung mga tanong na yan sa
Oo.
utak natin.
We're not even
meron.
saying that the next person will be the one.
Yeah.
For all you know, the next person will be another person that will pass by your life,
Hindi ka namin
teach you a
tinatakot,
lesson.
pero baka yung susunod, di ka ulit bigyan ng closure. Hindi tayo sigurado.
Yep.
I mean, hindi talaga tayo sigurado what's gonna happen next. But, you have to understand na yung closure na kasi na hinahanap mo begins with yourself.
And
Kasi walang ibang mabibigay talaga nun sa'yo kundi sarili mo.
that's correct. And to add to that, I think some things you want to focus on now, some of the things would be, of course, the career you have, which I'm sure is going great compared to a lot of people who are trying to get that break to get in Singapore. You have that chance, you have that opportunity of living there, of working there. So these small things, I'm gonna go back to where we started during the podcast. These small things are sometimes blessings we tend to take for granted because we focus too much on questions that are unanswered, on low points, on bakit ganito, bakit ganyan, when we don't take a moment to look at what we have around us, diba? Things that we are blessed with, family, friends.
Nax, nakita mo, Jeff, yung pagka-positive ni Samoy G.
Yeah.
Kasi madalas
Nagago
siya
mo
yung
na
hindi
naman ako.
nagbibigay ng closure.
Ginagago mo na naman ako.
Sorry, Jeff. Pinapatawa ko
Oy,
lang si Jeff.
May ano nga eh.
Pinapatawa ko pa narinig
Kahit
dito
na
ako
hindi
si
naging
Jeff
kami,
simula
binibigyan ko
nung
ng
kausap
closure.
natin eh.
Kahit hindi nga kami, binibigyan ko ng closure
Sobrang
eh.
positive po ni Papi, hindi halata na siya po ang hindi nagbibigay ng closure.
Sira ulo ka
So,
talaga.
mga ex niya. No, ang ganda ng mga sinabi ni Papi. Totoo naman sometimes nakakalimutan natin i-appreciate yung mga magagandang meron tayo. Dahil sobrang
Small
focus
things.
tayo dun sa sakit, dun sa pain.
Yeah.
Pero Jeff, in that 2 years na hiwalay kayo, you also have to assess yourself kung
Yep.
na-absorb mo ba yung emotions na dapat na-feel mo after ng breakup. Kasi ang reason din kung ba't nahihirapan maka-move on yung ibang tao after a breakup is hindi nila hindi nila tinatanggap kung ano yung nafe-feel nila. Na dapat nasasaktan sila. Normal, okay lang masaktan. Yung emotions that you're supposed to be feeling after the breakup, baka sa sobrang tagal na ng breakup, kaya hindi mo na rin maalala.
Yeah.
Hindi mo tinanggap. I think that's number 1. You have to accept that emotion before ka
True.
fully gumaling or mahil from that breakup.
Yeah.
Because emotions come and go, they're inevitable. Ngayon, malungkot tayo. Bukas pwedeng masaya na tayo. So,
And
kung
if
nasasaktan,
somebody
diba,
else
kung
comes along,
nasasaktan
baka
ka,
makalimutan mo na nga itong mga nangyari in the past.
true.
Diba? How many exes have you had?
Ayan na.
I had 4.
Ay, wait, sorry, si Chacha pala tinatanong ko. Chacha. Hindi, joke
Okay.
lang, joke lang.
I've
Hindi, joke lang.
had
Oh. Diba? Okay, pero diba, let's say 4
But
and 2. Diba pareho kayo?
seryoso,
4
yung
and 2. Si
ba't
Jeff, 4, ikaw. Hindi ko na
Okay,
maalala.
tama.
Basta,
Hindi mo
Hindi yung
maalala.
point ko eh. Yung point ko kasi.
Ilan
diba?
doon ang may closure
Would
at
you
ilan
still-
doon ang wala?
Hindi ko na rin maalala. Would you still go back
see?
to the second one and say that, tawag dito, go back to the second one and say na, alam mo, hindi nasagot yung tanong na to. Hindi, kasi probably now, diba, you're already happy, already settled that whatever happened with your second ex, whatever, back then in the day, ano na siya? Hindi naman sa wala kang pakialam na pasay na siya sa buhay mo.
Yep.
It's something that passed
ito,
already.
Parang ang mahirap na kasi doon, hindi ka dadating doon sa sa moment or dun sa time na okay ka na unless tanggapin mo that you're hurting or nasaktan ka.
Yeah.
And
Diba?
the mere
So,
fact that
baka
it's
yun-
that it's painful, it means the
muna.
love was worth it. Yun lang
Yep.
naman yun.
Yes.
There's nothing wrong with that. It was a long relationship, I understand, and that means
And
the
it's
love was worth
okay
it.
to be sad. It's okay to feel the negative emotion. Walang masama doon. I mean, you have to embrace kung ano yung nafe-feel mo. Kasi, every time, pansinin nyo, kung wala may masakit, tapos tinanggap natin na masakit siya, afterwards, mas magaan sa loob. Kesa yung tinatry natin i-hide kung ano yung nafe-feel natin.
Yeah.
Alam mo, that's so, ang ganda na sinabi ni Chacha. Yung sobrang sakit na matagal na. I remember I was nasa Hong Kong ako last week. No? Tagal ko naglalakad. Tapos sabi ko, bili akong bagong sneakers. Bumili ako. Natanggal yung sakit. My God. Paglakad
Iba
ko ng
yun.
15,000
Tapos
steps.
sasabihin mo sa dulo, the serve.
That's herb.
Oo. Pero ako, I
After
will
new sneakers, did I remember the first 1,000 steps? No. I focused on the new.
Di ba nga? Kanina pa sinasabi sa'yo ni Papi na, let's focus on you, let's not focus on your ex. Pero ako, bilang the hopeless romantic Chacha, Jeff, bilang your tita Chacha, sasabihin ko pa rin sa'yo na if feeling mo that one last communication, kahit nakakatakot gawin, kahit pa online lang, if it will give you peace, then go do it.
Okay, I respect that.
Yun lang sa akin.
If it will give you peace, but if it will give you more war, then don't do it.
Oo. I mean,
If it
ikaw
will
lang
give you peace, go.
makakapag-decide nun.
Yeah.
You know
Diba?
better.
Oo.
Yeah. So,
Kasi ang mahirap dito, Jeff, ngayon pa lang, di sa tinatakot kita. Pag doon ka nagpunta sa path na yon, na pinili mo, okay, one last time, tatanungin ko siya, bakit? May feelings ka pa ba? Anong gagawin mo kung sinabi ko sana nilaban kita or tinuloy ko to? Pwede ang sagot niya super negative. Jeff, ang tagal na. Tama na. Or pwede rin naman sabihin niya sa'yo, positive. Jeff, ang tagal kitang inantay. Bakit ngayon lang? Ba't ngayon ka lang nag-message? I mean,
Right.
maraming possibilities. So, it's really up to you. Kung ano magpapagaang ng loob mo, tsaka kung ano magbibigay ng peace of mind sa'yo. Yun.
What
actually,
will heal yourself? Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, actually, I think I'm 80% there. Like,
Uy, yan na. Oh.
so
Good.
going back to
Good
what
luck.
Papi Sam mentioned a while ago, it was it actually happened to me. Like, I forgot to appreciate Singapore because I was focused on, okay, I just want to enjoy here when she comes, when she's here together
Tapos
with me.
parang nag-crashing lahat ng ano mo, di ba?
And then, yeah. So,
Lahat ng mags mo gawin.
dun ko lang na-appreciate si Singapore. Like, I started going out, trying restaurants.
Yan.
Yun, no?
So, yeah, and yung sinabi mo naman kanina, DJ Chacha, is yung feel the emotions. So, actually, at first, I was compartmentalizing na, okay, let's just go work and mamaya na yan. So, until
Pinark mo muna, pero nandun pa rin siya.
Oo.
Pinarking mo lang.
Hindi niya in-acknowledge yung pain.
yeah. So, when I realized na, okay, I need to like feel this. So, yan. Tama naman yung
Ay,
sinabi mo.
dito na lang, Jeff. Just in case, malay mo, mapadpad sa podcast natin yung ex mo.
Oh.
Baka there's something that you wanna tell her.
Yeah.
Bigay mo yung first name. Okay, editor, lagyan mo na makabagbagdamdaming background music to si Jeff, ha? Yung ano.
Oh yeah, if she's listening right now, what would you tell her?
I will tell her that I hope you're happy right now. Sana hindi natin parehas pinagsisihan yung decision, and we're both happy because I remember she was saying na what if ito na lang yung chance ko in love, something like that. But I'm asking also the same question, but I hope you're happy right now. I'm doing okay if ever you're wondering about me, but I do hope you're happy. So, yeah.
Perfect.
Aw.
Jeff, thank you so much. I wish you all the best. I wish you all the healing, no?
Same.
And we're just a message away if you need anything dito sa Lecheng Pag-ibig Daw. Thank you for joining us on the podcast.
Thank you.
Thanks, Jeff. Good luck. Kung ano man mapag-desisyonan mo, pero grabe ba?
Grabe,
Ang sakit nung message niya na sana tama yung decision natin.
Oh,
Pero,
alam mo, may sumasamething pa
Diba?
dun eh. Mayroon pang
Oo.
nahugot dun eh.
Gandang ang gandang parang linya sa pelikula Doon lang natin naririnig yan, but it really happens in real life.
It happens to a lot of
Nangyayari
us.
talaga yun. There
Happens to
are
the best of us.
decisions na kahit matagal na, sometimes
Tama ba
we
yun?
think, yes, tama ba yun? Yung naging decision ko.
Yeah, and it's a life-changing decision. It's
Yeah.
not just a small one, diba? Thank you guys for joining us on the podcast. If you are like Jeff, you have something you want to get off your chest, please do reach us on Instagram, on Facebook, through our email. We'll be hopefully getting you on the podcast one of these days. In the meantime, my name is Sam YG.
And this is Chacha.
Stay safe, heal yourself, and be good.
Bye-bye.